Coordinating on Travel Unity, CoTU has denounced the preconditions set by United Naga Council (UNC) for lifting the blockade of essential items. In a press note, CoTU maintained that the UNC has demanded abrogation of SU agreement, the removal of Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipken, and arrest of the Chief of Leilon Baifai as preconditions for lifting the blockade of essential items entering Kangpopi district. Calling the precondition as delusional demand by Kacha Naga, CoTU demanded the arrest of perpetrators manning the checkpost, which has been hijacking the normal resumption of essential supplies to all communities within the state. Further, CoTU has also accused the Naga community of torching Meitei houses in Limacong today with the intention to evoke the sentiment against the Kuki Izo community. It maintained that locals of Limacong were compelled to uproot the checkpost this afternoon at around 2:30 p.m. and people also sustained injuries in the altercation. CoTU alleged that during the commotion, section of Kacha Naga torched houses belonging to the Meitei community at Limacong.